Hello everybody, my name is Ryan. I'm the lead advisor for S.E.L.F, and today I'm going to show you how to use the RTS Request to Speak system at the Arizona State Legislature. First, you're going to want to go to azleg.gov, and on the home page, you're going to want to go to Legislative Information, and you're going to click on Request to Speak. After that, you're going to come to a page on upcoming agendas for the first regular session of the 56th Legislature, but you're going to want to go up to the right and click on Sign On. Afterwards, you're going to want to go to Create an Account, put in your email, password, and your first and last name, and click the Create Account button. However, before you can submit an opinion or request to speak in a committee using the RTS system, you must first use the kiosks that are located outside the legislative committee rooms on the first floor of either the House of Representatives or the Senate buildings at 1700 West Washington, Phoenix. There is also a kiosk located in downtown Tucson at 400 West Congress Street, 201. You will only need to go to the Capitol once, and a person may go on your behalf to sign into your account. Once at the Capitol, either go to the Senate lobby or outside the committee rooms at the House to use a kiosk. Once at a kiosk, go to the top right-hand corner and click Sign On, put in your email and password, and then you may submit an opinion or request to speak on a bill. After signing on to an in-person kiosk, you can now use the Request to Speak system at home. After logging into your account, this is the page that you will see. You will have two options: either the Request to Speak system, which will allow you to submit an opinion or testify in a committee where a bill is being heard, or the Bill Status Inquiry, which is a tool that allows individuals to check the status of a bill in the Arizona State Legislature. It can be used to find out where a bill is in the legislative process, such as which committee it has been assigned to, whether it has been approved or rejected, and when it is scheduled for a vote. For now, let's look at the Request to Speak system. This is the home page of the Request to Speak system. It shows your current requests and bill positions. Over to the right, you can either update or delete your current bill position. But before we look at that, let's make a new request. By clicking New Request, it will take you to Request to Speak Topic Search. Here, you can search for committees or upcoming agendas where your bill might be heard. Let's find an active agenda. You can go to Committee, find the committee where your bill might be heard, click Search, and then add a request. Here we chose Director Nominations. Once you click on New Request, it will bring you to this page, where it will ask you your position on the item. You can select For, Neutral, or Against the bill, or in this case, a director nomination. It will then ask you if you wish to speak. If you will be present in committee and you wish to speak, select Yes. If you will not be present in committee and you do not wish to speak, select No. And if you will be present in committee and you only want to speak if it is necessary, select If Necessary. You also may leave a comment about your position on the bill. Once you are done filling out your position, click the Submit button. By clicking Submit, it will show you your position on the My Requests page. Here, you can update or delete your request. Let's update our request. by clicking on Update. Here, you can edit your position on the item, whether you wish to speak, or your comment. Keep in mind that your comment will be read by state legislators. If you have a disability, you may request an accommodation by contacting the Senate Secretary's Office at 602-926-4231. Thank you so much, and good luck advocating.